Now we'll do prayogs for Shreni Do, Danda Shreni Do. I'll explain the first prayog. It is Shiramar Kramika Do. In Shiramar Kramika Do, we'll do Shiramar Kramika 1, then Ardhavrita and Ardhavrita. One time Shiramar Kramika 1 and 2 times Ardhavrita. So I'll show you first. From Daksha will come to Kramika Siddha Sthiti. From Daksha 1, 2, 3. Shiramar Kramika 2. I'll do in Vibhagasha. In Vibhagasha 1, I'll do Shiramar Kramika 1 and stop. Shiramar Kramika 2. Vibhagasha 1. 1, 2, 3. Here we are doing 2 Shiramar coming 2 steps forward. And Vibhagasha 2, I'll do 1 Ardhavrita. Vibhagasha 2. 1, 2. Vibhagasha 3, another Ardhavrita. 1, 2. This is the prayog. Okay? I'll do it. Let's do it in Vibhagasha, then we'll go to Kru. I'll show you how to do in Kru also. Gana, Daksha, Kramika, Siddha. 1, 2, 3. Shiramar Kramika 2. Shiramar Kramika 2. Vibhagasha 1, 2, 3. We did Shiramar Kramika 1 and stop here. In Vibhagasha 2, we will do Ardhavrita. Vibhagasha 2. Ardhavrita. In 3 again we will do another Ardhavrita. Vibhagasha 3. 1, 2. Gana, Swastha. I'll show you how to do in Kru. Kru is the same without stopping anywhere. Observe the Anktal also. From Kramika Siddha. Shiramar Kramika 2. Shiramar Kramika 2. Kru. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. So I did not stop anywhere. You have to continuously do it without any pause or stop. Gana, Sadha. Pratisara. Dvivaram. Kru. 1, 2. Shiramar Kramika 2. Sadha. Swastha. Swastha. Any questions? No? Right. Sadha. Shiramar Kramika 2. Shiramar Kramika 2. Kru. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Swastha. Then we'll do Shiramar Kramika 1 Chatushka. The next prayog is Shiramar Kramika 1 Chatushka. As the name says, it is 1 doing 4 times. Okay. But we'll add another prayog in between with Shiramar Kramika 1. That is Unavrita. So we'll do 1 Unavrita 4 times. So I'll do it in Vibhagasha first. In Vibhagasha, I'll do Shiramar Kramika 1 and Vibhagasha 2, I'll do Unavrita. That is whole 1, I mean 1 Kramasha, that is Kramasha 1. This will repeat 4 times. Okay, let me show you how to do it. From Kramika Siddha, Shiramar Kramika 1, then Unavrita. I'll stop at Shiramar Kramika 1, that is in Vibhagasha 1. Shiramar Kramika 1 Chatushka. Shiramar Kramika 1 Chatushka. Vibhagasha 1. 1, 2, 3. Vibhagasha 2. Now I'll do Unavrita in Vibhagasha 2. Vibhagasha 2. 1, 2. This is Unavrita. So this will repeat 4 times. This will repeat 4 times. Again one Shiramar 1, 2, 3. This is Vibhagasha 1. Then Unavrita. 1, 2. Another Shiramar 1, 2, 3. Unavrita. 1, 2. Again 1, 2, 3. Then Unavrita. 1, 2. So if you observe, I started from here, I came back to the same place. So you have to make sure that you'll come back to the same place. We are doing the prayog in all 4 directions and coming back to the same position. Okay? Let's quickly do it. We'll do only one kramasha, ek kramasha, that is ek and unugata in vibhagasha. Gana, sadha, शिरमार क्रमिका एक चतुष्का, शिरमार क्रमिका एक चतुष्का, विभागशः एक, 1 2 3, विभागशः 2, 1 2. Go back to your positions. Go back, both of you. Swasthha. So this is when we do prayog without stopping anywhere in kru, we'll do this. In kramashah ek, we'll do the whole step and stop. That is ek and unavata. We'll do ek and unavata, then stop. That is in kramashah ek. We won't give vibhaksha there. And not even kru. We say kramashah ek. All chatushka dvaya will come in kramashah.
So we do all 4?
We'll do 4. But you have to wait for my agnya every time. I'll say kramashah ek, do Shramar Kramika ek chatushka, stop there. I'll say kramashah 2, you have to do the same step and stop. Kramashah 3, same thing, stop. Kramashah 4, same thing and stop. I'll show you once how to do it, okay? Shramar Kramika ek chatushka, Shramar Kramika ek chatushka, kramashah ek, 1 2 3, 1 2. So I did not stop anywhere. 2 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2. क्रमशः 4, 1 2 3, 1 2. So this is the prayog. Let's do it quickly. गण सह प्रतिसर द्विवारं कृ 1 2. शिरमार क्रमिका एक चतुष्का, शिरमार क्रमिका एक चतुष्का, क्रमशः 1 1 2 3, 1 2 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2. क्रमशः 4 1 2 3, 1 2. Swastha. This is the prayog. The third prayog is Dimikhi Kramashah ek. Dimikhi Kramashah, Dimikhi Kramika ek. Dimikhi Kramika ek. So Dimikhi Kramika ek, I'll explain. We'll have only 3 steps, 3 Anktal, but the 3 Anktal will repeat 4 times. So we'll get total 12 Anktal. So I'll explain and then I'll show you how to do. In Kramika Siddha position, in Vibhaksha ek, we'll give an adhomar. Lift your right leg and put it there. Give an adhomar while giving an adhomar. In Vibhaksha 2, turn to your Pratham Mohra, this side, to your front, and put a step forward. And in Vibhaksha 3, you'll give a Shiroma. I'll show you how to do it. From Kramika Siddha, in your Tritiya Mohra, this is Tritiya Mohra. In your Tritiya Mohra, lift the leg, right leg, give an Adhomar, put it down. This is action we'll do in Vibhaksha 8. Vibhaksha 2, turn this side, put your left leg wherever you are. Lift it and put it there while turning. And in 3, give a Shiromar and come to the Siddha. But you will be in Tritiya Mohra, Siddha. Give a Shiromar, come to Siddha, Tritiya Mohra. This is one action. We will do this 4 times. So 12 Ankta. Once again. From Kramika Siddha, lift your right leg. Give Adhomar. 1 2, turn this side. And put your left leg here. In 3, give a Shiromar, come to Siddha. Lift your right leg, come forward 1 step, Put it there and come to the Siddha. This is Vibhaksha 3. Let's do it quickly. Gana, Samadhan. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Vibhagshah 1. Put your left leg there, right leg. So, turn this side, lift your, turn this side, lift your left leg and put it there. 3, lift your right leg and come forward. 3, and you will be Siddha that side. Yes. Swastha. Let's do it again. Go back to your positions. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Vibhagshah 1. Put it there. So, turn this side, put your leg and put it there. 3. Mar forward, Shiromar forward and move forward. This is Swastha. So this is the set, one set. We'll do 4 times the same thing. I'll show you how to do it. Go back to just there. I'll show you the whole prayoga. Dimikhi Kramashah, Dimikhi Kramika 1. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Kuro. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I did 4 times to stop here. Let's do it quickly. You got it? Any questions? Jana, Sadhan. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Kuro. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pratisara Chaturvaram Kro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swastha. There was a mistake by giving the Ankatal. It is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it with that correction now. Not 3, 3. Then Sadhan. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Dimikhi Kramika 1. Kro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nana. Pratisara Shatvaram Kro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was the third prayog. We'll do 4th prayog now. That is Prahar Prakrama. Sorry. Prasaramar. Prasaramar. In Prasaramar, as the name says, we are moving forward. Prasara is moving forward. So we'll move forward and give the Prahar. By giving the Prahar, we'll move forward. So we'll do it from Prahar Siddha. I'll show you. From Prahar Siddha, from Kramika Siddha, 1, 2. This is the Prahar Siddha. Prasaramar. Vibhaksha 1 will move 1 step and stop there. This. Moving as jumping. Not hopping. But you have to move like this as we are jumping. So 1. Vibhaksha. In Vibhaksha 2, we'll give a Prahar and move forward. 1. Put your right leg in front and in front of the left leg. In Vibhaksha 3, we'll give 1 more Prahar and move forward with the left leg. 3. This is the prayog. Prasarama. Got it? Shall we do it in Vibhaksha once? Okay. Let's do it in Vibhaksha once. Jana, Saha. Jana, Prahar, Siddha. 1, no. Prasaramar. Prasaramar, Vibhagashah 1. What are you doing? Go back, both of you. Sadhan. Swastha. गण साधा प्रसरमान प्रसरमान विभागशः एक विभागशः दो विभागशः तीन. This is प्रसरमान. Let's do it in crew now. Huh? गण प्रतिसर द्विवारं करो. एक दो. प्रसरमान प्रसरमान करो. एक एक दो. प्रतिसर द्विवारं करो. एक दो. Let's do it again. One more time. प्रसरमान प्रसरमान करो. एक एक दो. प्रतिसर त्रिवारं करो. एक दो तीन. स्वस्थ. Next प्रयोग is प्रति प्रसरमा. As the name says, prati and prasara. Pratisara, prasara. We have to go one step back, one step forward, then two prahar. The same prayog, whatever we did now, but addition is one pratisara, that is jumping back. You have to jump back and come forward. Move back, come forward, then give the two prahar. I'll show you. So in Vibhaksha 1, we go back. 1. Vibhaksha 2, come forward. And Vibhaksha 3, give a mark. Vibhaksha 4, another mark. So this is the prayog. Let's do it. Gana, sadhan. Prati prasarama, vibhagashah. 1, 2, 3, 4. प्रतिसरा त्रिवारं करो. 1 2 3. प्रतिसरा द्विवारं करो. 1 2. स्वस्थ. So now we'll do it in kuru. We'll do it in kuru, but while doing we'll give a ninad. We'll give a nara. Sorry. We'll give a nara. That is Hara Hara Mahadev. While going back, Hara. Coming forward, Hara Mahadev. We'll give 2 marks. Okay? Let's do it. Gana, sadhan. Prati prasaraman. Kuro. Hara. Hara. Mahadev. Once again. Prati prasaraman. Kuro. Hara. Hara. Mahadev. Gana. Kramika. Siddha. 1 2. Puja. Danda. 1 2 3. Rama. Swastha. So this is Shreni 2. Raksha. Vishrama.